I want you to think about something for a second. Consider this. Everything that's happened in your life and everything that's happening in your life is preparing you for what's next. But so oftentimes we're hanging on to the stuff that we have as a badge of honor, all the guilt, the shame, and the resentment and the anger and everything else that causes us to stay stuck in the past. We never realize that the future is something that's in our mind that we can envision. But when you sit there and you change your perspective about your past, present, and your future, and you realize that it all is happening for you and not to you, you have the opportunity to make the decision on what to do next. You can act like a victim or you can act like a victor. You can sit there and complain, bitch, piss, and moan about everything that's not happening, or you can start to take this divisive action in your life to create the momentum that you deserve. It all starts with realizing it's all preparing you for what's next. But if you keep holding on and pissed off about the past, you'll never allow the door to open for you. So no excuses, Coach Baby. Love you guys.